guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just going to film this nice look for you today. Just a quick makeup, nothing too fancy, just getting ready and out the door. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to see more videos like this, please give me a thumbs up, comment in the down bar below, and I always appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye! Going to start off with this look using my GlamGlow Volcasmic Matte Glow Moisturizer. I'm just going to put a little bit of this all over my face. And then I'm going to use the Skindinavia Makeup Primer Spray just to give us an extra boost of hydration. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Prime number 100, the Blur, and I'm going to focus this in my T-zone area. And it just fills the pores. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 260. So I'm going to put 2 pumps of this on the back of my hand and use a damp beauty blender to pump that in. Going in with an extra 2 pumps. Down the neck. Going to use a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape, and I am in the shade Light Medium, and we're just going to put this in the normal areas. Blend that out with the beauty blender. What I'm going to do is set my face with the Hourglass Veil Powder, and I'm going to use a BH Cosmetics number 2 brush, and this stuff makes your face look just amazing. And I'm just going to set the rest of my T-zone where I put the rest of that concealer. And I'm not actually going to worry about the rest of my face because my face has actually been pretty dry in the outer areas, so I'm just going to focus this in the T-zone. So what I'm going to do now is bronze my face, and what I'm going to actually use is the Physcians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm going to use a BH Cosmetics number 3 brush and warm up my face. and do the jaw as well. I'm going to actually contour my nose just slightly, and I'm going to use this brush. It's from SOHO, and I've been using this a lot to contour my nose. So I'm going to use the same butter bronzer as well and just run this on each side of my nose. On the middle of the Cupid's bow as well. And the bottom lip, just to make it look like it's a little bit larger than what it is. And since this look is just going to be a simple look, I'm actually going to use this Morphe M504 brush and go back into the butter bronzer and put this in the crease of my eye. For blush, I'm going to use Milani number 8 Tea Rose, and I'm going to use a Morphe E4 brush to do that, and my barrel broke off, so there's a little bit of glue on here. Just for a nice little wash of color. Next, I'm going to go into Milani as well, and I'm going to use in Luminoso with that same Morphe E4 brush. Just going to make sure my cheeks have a little bit of a glow on here. And what I'm going to do is set my face, and I'm actually going to use the Skindinavia the Makeup Finishing Spray. And I'm going to spray my face just to set down some of the powders. For a highlighter today, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. And I'm going to use this Morphe M510 brush. Take some of that same highlighter on my finger, and then I'm going to run this on my nose. And I'm going to use a Sigma E55 brush, and I'm going to use the same Molten Gold from Maybelline, and I'm going to put this in the inner corner of my eyes. And on my brow bone. I'm going to use that Morphe M504 brush, blend this in a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is use a Maybelline Prismatic highlighter as well, and this is 050, and I'm just going to go over some of the Molten Gold. Just to lighten up a little bit on the outside of my face. And I'm going to go in with my current favorite mascara, the Total Temptation from Maybelline as well. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the mascara on my lower lash line as well. I'm going to use this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Pure Gold, and I'm going to put this in my lower waterline. For lips, I'm actually going to use NARS Velvet Lip Liner in El Agua. And it's a little dusty rose color, really, really pretty. For lipstick, I'm going to use NARS, the Rikugien Satin Lip Pencil. And I'm going to take my finger and blend that together. For brows, I'm going to use Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3. And I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe, just to fill in the sparse areas on my brows. Comb through just a little bit. And then lastly, I'm going to use the Skindinavia the Makeup Finishing Spray. Alright guys, this concludes this look of just doing a quick ready to get out the door look, just with a little bit of highlight and nothing too much with the eyes if you wanted to focus with the highlight on the face. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!